Hi, and welcome to this unboxing of the Panasonic HD SD90 Camcorder. This is Panasonic's 3D compatible SD high definition camera. Supports up to a 64GB SD card. Unfortunately, none is included. Okay, it's the 1920 by 1080p progressive display, intelligent auto, power iOS hybrid, 28mm wide, 40x intelligent zoom, and full HD. Let's open this up. At the top we've got the HD Writer AE 3.0 disc, and then we've got the manual. Right, we'll open that up in this video. And then we've got the AV cables, a mini USB standard cable, power charging brick, and a UK adapter lead. Also we've got this that's, I think it's for a flash or a tripod. I couldn't quite work out when I looked online about this camera. Okay, in there we have the battery, and in here we have the camcorder itself. Here's the camcorder itself, just taking it out. On the top we have volume buttons and a zoom, a picture button. It looks like a microphone or camera. On the side we have a choice of playing video, recording or taking photos. On the side we have a little socket. Let's see if I can open it up. No, we can't open that up without the screwdriver. That's for the power. On the bottom we have the tripod and the SD card slot and the battery slot. On the back we have the nice record button, and this side we have the screen. Open this up so I can see the screen. We have a USB slot, shoe adapter release, that's what that's for flash on a shoe. AI manual mode, OIS, 1080p/50p, a full HDMI. Was that mini? No, that's a mini HDMI. An AV multi and a microphone, and the 3-inch display. Alright, this has been an unboxing of the Panasonic SD90. Thanks for watching.